1976 Ford Escort, popular this one. You can see it is a rolling shell. We have got the VIN plate and the logbook with us for this car. It was being turned into a project to be a fast road car. I'm it's going to make quite a quick video this, you can see what you can see. We're going to have a look at the parts that come with it. So we've got the block there. So that's a 205, which you can clearly see 205 Pinto block comes with it. They're money these days alone. Bell housing, clutches there, flywheels there, gearboxes there as well. We'll have a look in the boot because I've got some glass in the shell itself. And then we've got some more parts in the boot, lights, fuel tank, some bits and bobs in there. But it comes with the Pinto 205 block there. That's the one everybody wants. I'll open the bonnet, you can have a look in the engine bay. A lot of the work has been done. So you can have a look there. Bonnet's all nice and straight. It has got the holes in it there for the pins. A lot of the hard graft has been done. Needs an arch. Someone started putting the sill section in there, which you can't see. Door looks to be nice and straight. The rest of the quarter's all right. The arch has been cut out there so you can see the inner arch. Plenty of parts of this one, like I say, they all come with it. And we have got a logbook and the VIN plate there for the Ford Popular Plus, which is what it was. So it's a rolling project, this one. Don't ring and ask us if it's going to drive back to London, because the answer is no. But it comes with a pallet full of parts here. Engines there, logbook and the VIN plate.